खमागणी आदाब दर्शकों, हमारे इस दिलकश सफर पर आपका स्वागत है। कृपया अपने मोबाइल को साइलेंट पर रखें और अपना ध्यान इधर रखें। खाने पीने की जरूरत तो नहीं है, नाच गाने से आपका पेट भर ही जाएगा। फ्लैश फोटोग्राफी भी छोड़ दो, ज्यादा दशन मत दिखाओ। लीव दैट टू मी, ओके? तो चलो फिर शुरू करें।
सेठ जी, इस दोस्ती को रिश्तेदारी में बदलें? क्यों नहीं? तो फिर बात पक्की है।
ओहो, बच्चा हुआ भी नहीं और शादी की बात शुरू। These states are an inspiration to Indian parents everywhere.
अरे पर आप कौन?
अरे, अब मुझे ही नहीं जानते। नमस्ते, खमागणी आदाब दर्शकों, मैं आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर, शानदार कथाकार। नहीं गाइस प्लीज वाइब बदलो यार। ये हुई ना बात।
An oath is an oath. An oath is an oath. Think about the dowry. She. नहीं. अब से she नहीं. He. Think about the dowry. He will bring it. लड़का हुआ है.
मधु, एक बार अपने कमरे में जाओ। Why are you pretending that you can't see what's going on?
Can't see what's going on. Me. I, the richest and most powerful state in the entire village.
And yet you still can't see what's right in front of you. अरे लड़की बड़ी हो रही है।
तो क्या?
मधु के पापा, what is this madness? She is ready to get married. And you're saying तो क्या?
Listen, I'm not stopping the marriage from happening, ठीक है? In fact, I had thought it better than anyone else. I planned it even before she was born.
वाह सेठ जी, so well thought through. How do you expect a girl to marry another girl?
Hey, what's there to getting married? You do it and it's done. जो किस्मत में लिखा होता है, वैसा ही होता है.
My dear, just what do you plan to do
when the marriage produces no results? Tell me, all these years, I kept quiet, assuming that you were joking.
Wak, chup kar yaar! Listen. We are going to get dowry wealth beyond belief. Why should I suffer due to some glitch in nature?
This is our daughter we are talking about. शादी सिर्फ फायदे के लिए नहीं होती है सेठ जी.
अरे आइए नमस्ते.
Namaste, Seth ji. As promised, we would like to marry our daughter to your son.
अरे बढ़िया.
Ugh. Looks like the Sethani realized that her husband wasn't joking after all. As luck would have it, the marriage proposal arrived. And of course, our typical Indian husband readily accepted it. Whew. Everybody has that one neighbor who has their nose all up in your business. अरे बेटा, शादी की? अरे बेटा, चश्मे कैसे लग गए? आप naive Madhu. She was just so excited, about her शादी and her dulhan. लेकिन पड़ोसी जी का चैन कहाँ? See how she has her nose up in everybody's business.
Gigi? Every day I'm Bhaisa. Today I'm Gigi. Arey silly, you're a girl. And girls don't go around dreaming about becoming grooms. And how long do you plan on continuing this natak when you don't have the manhood where it counts? और वैसे वो कपड़ा लहंगे के लिए कम पड़ेगा. Which groom wears a lehenga? I will wear a sherwani, like all men do. I've been a man and plan to be one for the rest of my life. And what's wrong with my manhood? I've got a dhoti and an angalakhi and a turban 16 yards long. Yes, you can have a turban 60 yards long and still not have what it takes to be a man. You're young and you need, just how do you expect two girls to work the clay? अब तुम बड़ी हो गई हो. You should understand this simple fact of nature.
She's very winky, huh?
You're just jealous, aren't you? You're jealous. I have a dulhan and you don't. What are we going to do with you, Madhu? I know कि दहेज की बात है, but one would have thought your mother would have told this to you. A marriage can only take place between a man and a woman, silly. Otherwise, what's the use? What's the use of what? Isn't marriage about how we feel in our hearts? Oh, these youngsters. प्यार अपनी जगह. But what will you do when you need the... अगर एक चक्की दूसरी चक्की से पिसेगी तो फिर आटा कैसे बनेगा? मेरा some jobs only a pestle can do. And what exactly is so great about the pestle? It's the chakki that feeds the whole world. It turns grain into flour, splits lentils for dal. Fun fact. Now just be sure you don't get left behind splitting lentils.
And so the wedding day arrived. And there was happiness and gusto all around, yeah. Amidst the finery and the pomp, the bride and the groom made their way to the mandap. They linked their hands together and they were joined in divine union.
तेरे सिर नू सजाया डाटा फुल
Never in my life did I imagine that you would look this beautiful tonight.
Take a look at yourself. Next to you, I'm as plain as water.
Hanji! Are you watching this Nain Mataka? Yeah? Are you feeling the tension? Are you? Yeah! Okay. But anyway, you know what? I think I sense some other tension. Oh yeah, you. It's the poor Zekhani. This most, what do you call it? Oh yes, superb marital arrangement was giving her constant shivers, you know. Despite the heat over there. And anyway, that's fine because her husband, of course, is right there, sleeping without a care in the world. Yeah, it's fine. Anyway, let's focus on these two lovebirds for now. Yeah. Woo! Woo!
Suniye, it's getting really hot in here. Why don't you take off your pagdi while I fan you?
But a pagdi is a man's crowning glory. Lose that and his manhood goes limp. If you insist, I take off my andarki.
You're a woman?
What?
You're a woman. But I've known you my whole life and how could you lie? How could you lie about this?
What lie?
What else have you been lying about?
A woman? All my life I thought I was a boy. Is that what Gigi meant? No, no. How could Baba have kept this from me? So many years I have believed. And that's what the Padosan meant. I can't believe this. And now my wife. Tija, I have committed a grave sin against you. Unknowingly. And I am ready to receive whatever punishment you deem fit. All my life, I thought I was a boy. I was made to wear a dhoti, angrakhi, and a pagdi. Like all the boys around me. I can't even remember when Baba started saying, "Mere bete ki dulan aayegi, khoob धन दौलत लाएगी." And I would laugh along. And I never understood why Gigi would also always laugh when she called me Paisa. And sorry. I never knew I would be wronging you too. If I did, I never would have. And I didn't know what a marriage would need.
You haven't wronged me any more than you yourself have been wrong. I faced this illusion for only one day, but you faced this your whole life. From now on, you're Pija and I'm Tija. We're so lucky to have found each other. वैसे तुम्हें किसी ने बताया है कि मेरी पत्नी कितनी खूबसूरत है?
Why are you wearing clothes like this? Do you have no concern for my family's reputation or my honor? बहू, मेरी इज्जत तुम्हारे हाथ में है. Please make your husband take off those women's clothes and start dressing like a man again.
You still call me Bahu? And you really think a flimsy garment can save your izzat? What are you going to do with it anyway, huh? You've had it all along. Now please...
Hey! This is my house and you will live by my rules. If you want to do what you want to do, then this is no longer your home.
Home? You call this a home? My whole life, I've lived by your rules. Try to be the best beta. Trying to make you proud. When all you knew was the hedge, the hedge, the hedge. I did everything to make you happy. And you had me grow up under this dark web of lies. All because you wanted wealth. And now that the veil is lifted, and we finally have a chance at being happy the way we are, you can't stand it. यार दम घुट रहा है हमारा. You know what? be at home any longer. Give us your blessing if you wish, but we are leaving.
And so set off our two heroines, our two dulhans, on the path of fate, ready to face whatever came in their way. But little did they know that their very first obstacle would find them almost immediately. Arey, this kind of gossip, it travels faster than a racehorse, faster than the wind. And when the people of the Basti saw the Seth son dressed in women's clothing, leaving the Haveli with his new bride, they almost lost their minds.
A union between two women? Arey, these two girls have gone and married each other. It's a slap in the face of manhood. If we men don't sort this issue out, no one will ever respect Panchayat's authority anymore.
Or Loji, Bija and Tija's union has become the personal matter of every man in the village.
We warn you not to take another step until you settle the matter with us.
Exactly. If women start marrying women, what are men supposed to do? Start searching for rat holes?
आप सबको हमारे बारे में पता क्या है? And if you still feel the need for justice to be served, wait here. I'll be back. देखो, आप सब इसको देखो, देख रहे हो? हाँ? If you're scared of this muchad scarecrow, I'm scared of you muchad men. We're more old and worn out than he is anyway. We're on our way. तुम में से कोई हमें हाथ लगा के दिखाए.
देखो, देखो वो पीछे से आ तो नहीं रहे हैं ना?
नहीं बाबा, नहीं आएंगे.
How are you so sure? Now and then?
मतलब?
How are you so sure about everything? About me? About us? Even when my father, those villagers,
I don't have all of your answers. But obstacles will come, na? You are my wife. I know you. I know who you are. वो याद है? बचपन में जब मैं नदी किनारे गिर गई थी, मुझे बहुत चोट लगी थी. रात हो गई थी, सब चले गए थे. पर तुम नहीं. बस. How can I not love you?
thank you. Thank you, Tija, for choosing to stay.
चले? पीजा.
हाँ?
बस.
हमारे दो प्रेमी दुनिया को पीछे छोड़ के अपनी ही दुनिया में खो गए. They spent days and they spent nights together, dancing through rain and through sun, just, enjoying the pleasures of love. But you know what? Human beings, you guys can't live in this world on love alone, na? And unfortunately, these two lovers were girls. They wanted to set up a new living order in defiance of the men in the basti, but this was as easy as wanting to overturn a mountain, yeah? Luckily, though, fate was on their side.
The moon hid from you and whispered a secret in my ear. If you give me a kiss, I'll tell you what it is.
And if you give me a kiss, I won't ask you what he said.
No, you'd really like to know.
Then why ask before telling?
The moon keeps pestering me. He doesn't understand why I'm spending all my time gazing at his silly face and not the one glowing beside me.
Still cutie. He said this to me, not you.
I knew you would come here. Today our abandoned Bowery has been blessed. I'm almost glad that those dumb villagers are as dumb as they are, and they made you leave that horrible basti. Oi, namaste. I am the spirit chief of all the spirits in this Bowery. Welcome.
But how do you know?
अरे आपकी शादी की खबर तो दूर दूर तक पहुंच चुकी है. भला हम क्यों तमाशा देखने में पीछे रह जाते, We all sat there, watching the drama, completely invisible to the eyes of men. We watched you two fall in love. Actually, you had our protection as you made your way to this Bowery. Otherwise, those savage men, they would have had your heads. Seeing your love for each other, it's made my existence very meaningful. You may live here without fear. I give to you this Ikthamba Mahal. And of course, your every wish is my command. Women can, enter and leave this mahal as they please, but I won't even let the shadow of a man touch you here.
Thank you for your kindness. We are so grateful for your blessing.
I mean, it looks like we finally lost them, huh? But I mean, who can complain? Nothing can compare to, the beauty of the Ikthamba Mahal. I didn't mean anything inappropriate, okay? two lovers reached the basti of men. There they saw what we always see, the same race for happiness and the race for a child. Why ladai jhagde yaar? How could they have even lived in such a place for so long? Everywhere that they looked, people were absorbed in doing things like, painting pretty pictures and decorating their angans. But they were totally oblivious to the filth and the strife around them. And you know what? As you can see, frankly, it's not like these two received a very warm welcome either.
You? Why are you here? मुझ पे दया करो. Do you want your dowry back? Is that it? ले लो. छोड़ दो मुझे.
We only came to visit. We don't want anything from this house. You can keep it.
तुम्हारा तो बड़ा आलीशान महल है ना. खुद को तकलीफ मत दो. Just call us. We'll come visit you. बेटी. बेटी. Why are you leaving your mother alone like this? The poor thing keeps crying all day. She might just go blind.
Why? Didn't you just ask us to leave? Send her over to the mahal. She has nothing to fear.
Even married women don't sleep this late, Gigi.
So, aren't we married women?
Bossy, aren't you going to tell them why we have come? Tell them.
If men weren't so afraid of these spirits, there would be a battle as grand as the Mahabharata to win your hands in marriage. Big or small, young or old, everyone in the kingdom is offended.
पर हमने किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा है?
तुम्हारे रिश्ते से बड़ा कोई अपमान नहीं है मर्दों के लिए. We can't do anything about that.
Yes, you can. That's why we're here. Your marriage meant nothing. You are both so untouched. Even a drop of a man's sweat hasn't come near your shadow.
And we won't ever let it.
नहीं मेरी जान. We women don't even dare to dream of such a thing. मर्द का होना जरूरी होता है हम जैसों के लिए बेटा. मेरी बात मानो. घर बसा लो. You need to have a family.
Have you ever considered what we want?
And my daughter. What do you want? Why would I want anything different? You know what? The next time you think of coming to give us advice, please don't bother. It's getting late.
You're thinking about something, na? Tell me.
It's true. I can't hide anything from you. I was thinking about our conversation with Ma yesterday.
I knew it would affect you. It's probably not worth considering though. हम खुश हैं ना?
हम खुश हैं, बहुत खुश हैं. But think about the blessing we could receive if I was a man. That same old feeling of regret is eating me up from the inside, Pija. All you have to do is say the word and free me from the sins I have acquired from deceiving you.
But you haven't deceived me. And I don't consider you a sinner. Besides, this is fate's blessing in disguise. And I couldn't be happier. Ja, I don't need you to be a man. Not now, not ever. But you were the one who has raised a boy. If this is what you want, I won't come in your way.
But Pija, you must understand. For years, my fingers have itched to twirl my own mustache. I've dressed like a man for years, and now that I finally have a chance at becoming one, I can't wait. Where is the spirit chief?
Spirit chief.
आपने याद किया?
Can you grant me any boon I ask for?
Yes, of course. You simply have to name your desire, and I will fulfill it for you.
Can you make me a man again? I long to increase our happiness and complete our family.
Yes, of course. If that is what you truly desire, I have no problem granting your wish.
But what's the rush? Tonight, let's just satisfy this union's every last wish.
Okay. Since it seems that you like your old arrangement so much, I will grant you the chance to reverse your wish. Should Bija ever tire of becoming a man, all he has to do is wish for it. And actually, he will become a woman again.
Why on earth would I want to be a woman again when it has been so difficult to become a man?
Okay, as you wish.
Tonight, the night is mine.
Okay, guys. Let's leave these two lovebirds to their own devices for now, huh? You heard her. They're not going to sleep a single wink tonight. Meanwhile, you and I, we should catch our breaths. Because while, Tija didn't want this night to end, Bija couldn't wait for morning to come. Hey guys, as you can see, it's just another very normal, very peaceful day at the Ekhtamba Mahal. Oh, I forgot. Bija's a man now. Wait, let's actually wait and see what happens.
Oh, I can't wait to go show everyone. I am a man now. Let any one of those muchad men. There's nothing I can't do. I am a man now. Tija, meri jaan, I'm going into the basti for some work. I will be back soon. Didi, Didi, come out! I have something to show you. Paisa? Yes, Paisa. I am a man now. Can you see it? You, a man? Oh, Gigi. After marrying that woman, you've lost your sense of humor also, kya?
Don't you dare go after my wife. I just came to show you that thanks to the spirit chief, I now have the manhood where it counts.
You call that real manhood? Tell me, a ghost gave that to you, no? No.
Yes.
Then how can it be real? Besides, you're too soft and delicate to be a man.
What do you mean? You think I can't be... You think I can't get angry?
Save that for your wife, mister. उसको लगना चाहिए ना? मैंने एक मर्द से शादी की है.
I'm going to be the best man there ever was, huh? Just you wait.
So you just think throwing a wipe around makes you a man? Tell me. Do you have property? Can you have children?
I do. I can.
Well, you figure that out, Gigi. I have some business to attend to.
For the last time, it's Paisa. Bija had quite enough of Gigi. And so he went into the basti to see what was so very different between him and all the other men around him. Let's take a look.
तू भूलना मत, इस घर का महाराज मैं हूँ.
2 साल की शादी और अभी तक बच्चे नहीं हुए.
तू ना तो पैसे कमाता है ना काम काज करता है. बहुत मर्दांगी देख ली ना बीजा ने. शाबाश. But you know what? I want to know, what do you think? Is this what it means? Be a man!
There's so much more to my new look.
But you only said na, we're the same. Anyway, you look exhausted. Why don't you take a nap while I attend to my duty?
It seems I'll have to show you how to attend to your duties.
Rija, stop, you're hurting me.
You married a man. You finally get to experience a man's love. All this while we've been writhing away uselessly.
Uselessly. Why uselessly? I won't forget those nights we had until long after I'm dead.
Bija was drunk on his newfound power. Men were certainly superior creatures, na? How could fragile women ever compete? Such virility! Wow, amazing. And you know what? That very night, as luck would have it, I should find a better way to put this. 1 second. Right. The husband's pearl was planted in his wife's oyster. But anyway, you know, as the sun rose, new thoughts began to fill Bija's head, as often happens with men. Who was the master of the Ikthamba Mahal? You know, Tija could not think that it had been like before, with them jointly owning the place. So, you know, with all these new thoughts, Bija grew very impatient.
Tija! 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 Get up!
Why did you wake me up?
You can sleep anytime you want to. But for now, you must answer my question. Who is the master of the Ikthamba Mahal? You or me?
Why do you suddenly care about this? We both live here. Together.
I didn't ask who lives here and who doesn't. Just tell me clear and simple. Who is the lord of the property?
The spirit chief.
Why? that frail old fellow. I can take him in a fight, huh? Just you see.
ये क्या हो गया तुम्हें? What are you talking about? Anyway, मुझे इस सब के लिए टाइम नहीं है.
Time नहीं है? Where do you think you're going?
Tija, I'll come back.
No. You are my wife. You will listen to me. मैंने सब कुछ खो दिया, अपने प्यार को खो दिया, अपने आप को खो दिया। Where is my Teja? Where am I? Teja. Teja. Look. Look. It's me. Your Teja. Teja, please. Look at me.
If I look at you, will I even see my Bija? I'm scared. I'm so scared that I've lost you. Because the Bija I knew cared so much more about our happiness than anything else. That's the person I love. Is that Bija still here?
You're right. I got lost. Got carried away with who I thought I was supposed to be to. For you.
How is that for me, Bija?
I'm so sorry I hurt you. But you know me. Trust me once, Bija. The Bija I want to be is the one I found with you.
I know this has been hard for you. I know that all you want to do is make the people you love happy. Just don't change who you are for who you think you have to be now. Because if you're asking me to trust you, I will. Of course I will. I'm with you. Always.
And so, the two lovers held each other in an embrace that was so tight, it still hasn't broken. even after all these years. And you know, I'll tell you another secret, since we've become such good friends now. You know that seed in Tija's womb? I reduced that to ash. Oh wow, y'all are celebrating. I mean, I thought you guys would have mopey, sad faces because they're not having any children, but it looks like you guys know that you don't need a long, long lineage to keep you happy. And of course, if you do, then you know what to do, nah? Don't ever look at me. It's not like I can grant wishes or anything.